have sawdust embedded in my corner.
To this point. This is what you do when you can't afford a 6x6 that's 16 feet long during a pandemic.
14 feet. The bit always goes back here.
I just touched it, right?
Yeah. Where's the other? Okay. Yeah, you have to take it back. Look at it. Line it up, put your thumb here. Right in the center. Put your thumb over here in the corner. Now hold it down flat. Make sure that that little mark is lined up. And then just point it straight in. No, I'm just going to help you. Let it go. That's it. If you think you can clean it out first, you can push it in again. It'll clean it out. There's no feel where it's getting it. Blow hard. Hey.
Oh, we all know who's good on his knees.
I'm just good at blowing up balloons.
We'll leave that one on YouTube.
Hey, Brandon was just gonna put it together and see how it works. Make sure there's no burrs or anything that's gonna stop it from. It takes a bit to get it together because of the warps in the wood. Okay, let's do down here a bit. On my end.
Do you want me to help lift up or?
I might as well let them get down. Not bad? Okay, you just hold it together so it doesn't pop back out on it. Ow! Ow! I knew I was going to get pinched. I knew I was going to get pinched. Karma. Okay, flip it on its 40, like on its two edges, just slowly. Go.
Wow, that's a clean cut.
And that's how you create a 6x6 without paying for a 6x6.
Oh, that's pretty good, eh?
Looks good.
Wish my house did. I'd say that's pretty good.
So this guy is going up over the garage gable.
Just don't hurt that good edge. Let me know when you get it together. You might have to tap it.
This side too, though.
You can't tap down, you gotta pull together. Like,
I got that one. The end one's good.
there you go. There we go. Okay, sunk mine in.
It's yours now?
Nope.
You gotta get it down.
Roll it onto its 45 so we can see the good edge. Yeah. We're going to start down here, I guess.
You want it just like pull together nicely and then
Yeah.
you put screws through it?
Down and make sure the end down there is going to go in. Just see if you can make sure that it's... Yeah? Okay, good. Yeah, you know what? You might as well because it's actually...
Oh. That was close.
I almost did that.
Wipe it from.
Almost did that.
Good thing the brain kicked in before you did. Look at that, from this angle you wouldn't even know it was two 2x6s. Good morning guys. As you saw, we created, you could see we created a 6x6 that was like 14 feet long, over 14 feet. And it is going to go up in this gable to create the same look as that, because that will have like a crow's feet 6x6. So anyways, they couldn't continue with the soffit until that piece was there. So that's what is happening now. The boys yesterday, well, Kyle and I did a lumber run for that stuff. They put the trim there, and then started a little bit of siding. So you can see there, that is the color of our siding. There you go.
So I'll go up this ladder, you go up, stand, take the weight.
You go this way, I go that way.
And
Hey, I just had a raindrop.
now you get to, well, 3 people up there. Go unclamp my level, or I need the 6-foot level. The 8-foot, the 10-foot level.
It's gonna look so good. We have to take that down.
Why?
It's the wrong color.
You're bullshit.
I'm kidding.
I don't know what color of it.
That scared me. I'm gonna see if I can cut that. That's as much as going to go, boys. I think I can just jot across here.
Well, it's on camera if you fall.
They know it's on camera. You help them start getting down. Just go slow and just take your time. There's no hurry. Up, sit down, whatever it takes.
One more, you gotta go down if...
Guy's going like straight. He's red, man. He's red. Whoa.
Okay, relax.
No, just a big drop.
But it's always better to climb on the inside.
There we go. Okay.
Because you have the cross braces, grab a hold of on the way down. All right. I'm good.
And platform to catch you if...
Oh, is there a platform? Oh, yeah. Platform.
So they're just gonna screw up the other side, and then we have to create up there, hang on, we have to create the little crow's feet.
3 hours later.
There we go, the boys got it done today, and that's it for the day, and tomorrow we'll pick up with the soffit up underneath.